infinite sunlight and sweet budding romance. Now there's only rain and endless night. No more may I have this dance. No more late night rendezvous that will all lead back to that old willow tree. How can the one who cut me down be the same person I thought would set me free? The one who put me on a pedestal, then left me crestfallen. Tell me, did you ever love me, or is it just a facade? Without you, the rain lasts forever. Let's find that once held us together is finally broken. Tell me, is it all the same to you, whether or not it affected me? A final dagger to my heart when you said we're through. All the daggers in my back, yet the one to the heart hurt the most. No love in your eyes, but remember those days when we would raise a toast to forever, the young love and fairy tales, when everything seemed perfect down to the small details. Now it seems your stare is always glassy, and all the words are venom. Your silhouette haunts my peripherals like a phantom. Without you, the rain lasts forever. Let's find that once held us together is finally broken. Tell me, is it all the same to you, whether or not it affected me? A final dagger to my heart when you said we're through. A favor now that I'm out of the way. Who do you take down to that old willow tree, where you chit talk me and joke about